how do I manage my cost versus my risk tolerance? And if they're really worried about it, yeah, definitely buy it and understand that peace of mind is worth $1,000, $2,000, or $3,000 a year.
Well, if you live in northern Utah, you remember where you were 5 years ago when the Magna earthquake struck. My wife and I were in our bedroom. Our brick house swayed. I didn't know a brick house could do that. We didn't have any damage, but people closer to the epicenter did. I'm Fox 13 investigative reporter Nate Carlisle. For years, my wife and I have bought this. It's proof of our earthquake insurance policy. And these policies are adding up. Look at how these numbers shake out. These are direct premiums written for earthquake insurance in Utah. Back in 2006, those premiums added to $24 million, and Utah ranked 14th in the country. Now 2023, the most recent data available, premiums here add to $138 million. Utah ranks 5th in the country. Now, that could mean more Utahns are buying earthquake policies and/or the policies are costing more. We spoke with Matt Child, CEO of Utah Independent Agents.
I think generally they should know it's not covered on their existing home policies. If they want that coverage, they need to talk to their independent agent and make sure that they understand the choices, understand the coverage differences, and where their risk tolerance is for the coverages that they want.
Can renters buy earthquake insurance of some kind?
If you have damage to your personal stuff, stuff falling from a shelf, or heaven forbid a fire, or pipes burst as a result of the earthquake, all of that would be covered by a normal renter's policy. So if their landlord has damage to the home and now they have to keep paying rent or what have you, but they can't live in that home or that apartment complex or condo or what have you, well, where are they going to go? So having your landlord assure you that they have renter's coverage, which extends loss of use to their tenant, would be a good thing to ask.
If your insurance company won't sell you a policy, Child says you can seek out independent insurance agents for help, or you can buy a policy on the open market. But if you wait until an earthquake strikes, it may be too late. Child says a lot of insurers will refuse to sell new policies during periods of aftershocks. In the studio, Nate Carlisle, Fox 13 News, Utah.